What is a startup grant and how do you apply for one? The Federal Employment Agency provides startup grants in two phases to help people move from unemployment to self-employment. Two conditions must be met to qualify for a startup grant. You must be entitled to unemployment benefit in accordance with Book 3 of the German Social Code. Your self-employed activity must give you a working week of at least 15 hours to officially take you off the unemployment register. If you are unemployed when you start your business, you may be eligible to receive a startup grant equivalent to your personal unemployment benefit, plus €300 for Social Security for 6 months. After this period, you can submit a new application for the flat €300 Social Security grant to be continued for another 9 months. The startup grant is a discretionary benefit to which no one has a legal entitlement. So, if you are thinking about going self-employed, talk to your advisor at the employment agency to find out whether your business will be supported in this way. Before you begin your self-employed activity, be sure to request your personal application forms for the startup grant. These things are important. First, you must submit your application to the employment agency in good time. Since you must be entitled to unemployment benefit, you must have been registered as unemployed for at least 1 day. You must also be entitled to at least 150 more days of unemployment benefit when your self-employed activity begins. There are a number of special provisions and conditions, so make sure you get all the information you need in advance. You will also need a viable business plan. Lastly, to be eligible for the startup grant, you will need to provide a statement on the validity of your business plan from an expert authority. This is because the employment agency requires you to prove the viability of your startup activity. Please note, under certain circumstances, it may make sense to apply for a voluntary continuation of unemployment insurance to ensure that appropriate insurance cover is maintained and that you can build up new entitlements. Several conditions must be met for this application, which must be submitted within 3 months. At www.arbeitsagentur.de, the employment agency provides detailed information in German and English about the conditions to apply for and receive startup grants. Initial information about the startup grant and voluntary unemployment insurance is also available from the Munich Business Startup Office. Okay, got that?